Hello everyone. Today we are talking about compression spring. If we give those details, we will manufacture the spring. To manufacture, we need all these details. These details are very important to manufacture the spring. That is inner dia, outer dia, wire dia, length, number of coil or a coil gap, material, spring steel or stainless steel. It's your choice and number of quantity. And let me show you some explanation about the details. Inner dia of this object is 8 mm. Outer dia of the spring is 8 mm. If you put the spring in the object, the spring will fix perfectly. So the outer dia of the spring is very important. Outer dia of this object is 10 mm. Inner dia of the spring is 10 mm. If you fix the spring in the object, the spring will fix perfectly. So the inner dia of the spring is very important. This is the image of the spring from top angle. First one is outer dia, second one is inner dia, and the third one is thickness of the wire. In this image, let me see how to calculate outer dia. Some people doing mistakes in calculation of outer dia. The mistake is when they calculating the outer dia, they simply calculating inner dia plus wire dia. When just see here the explanation I have given. Inner dia is 8 mm and the wire dia is 1 mm. What they doing is 8 plus 1 is equal to 9. Like that they are doing. It was not correct. You have to do right side 1 mm and then left side 1 mm. And the inner dia is 8 mm. So totally it was 10 mm. Make sure you give your measurements correctly. Thanks for watching our video.